In aerial cinematography, clarity, control, and endurance define excellence, and the DJI Air 3S raises that bar. Tailored for serious travelers and photographers, this drone introduces a refined 1-inch CMOS main camera that captures sharp, expressive imagery, even in dimly lit moments like dusk and nighttime. Shoot in cinematic 4K at 60 frames per second with HDR, unleashing up to 14 stops of dynamic range to showcase cloud layers, reflections, and fine textures with clarity. When the dust settles and streaks blur your view, the Hut W8 stands ready to reset clarity with every pass. Whether tackling pollen buildup or city grime, the 3,800 Pascal suction power keeps it firmly anchored to glass, ensuring a streak-free finish on vertical surfaces. Its dual water spray system applies just the right amount of mist to soften debris before the microfiber pads do the rest. In today's fast-moving world, simplicity and calm are more valuable than ever. That's where ZenFlow steps in, redefining how we experience aromatherapy with a sleek, waterless diffuser designed to harmonize with your pace, your space, and your lifestyle. Whether you're working late in a home office or unwinding in a cozy corner, ZenFlow turns everyday moments into peaceful retreats. ZenFlow isn't just a diffuser, it's intentional living. Built to be durable and sustainable, it delivers long-lasting fragrance without constant refills or upkeep. Sculpt your strength without the boundaries of a gym. The Unitree Pump Max brings studio-level resistance training into your living room, your backyard, or wherever your day takes you. No bulky racks or dumbbells, just smart engineering packed into a sleek, portable device weighing under 2.4 pounds. The Pump Max features a built-in motor that adjusts resistance up to 44 pounds with precision, offering concentric and eccentric control so every rep counts. Anchor it to doors, furniture, or even your foot. It adapts to your environment effortlessly. Built for rugged terrain and refined taste, the Z-Lounger Ultra Tough Air Seat raises the standard for portable seating. Whether you're posted up riverside, lounging at camp, or tailgating in the lot, this seat fuses field-ready toughness with an ergonomic profile that mirrors high-end indoor furniture. The advanced drop-stitched construction provides rigid support while maintaining an inflatable design, delivering 17 inches of elevated seating that doesn't sag, bend, or buckle. Precision meets performance with the Fantic Solo Aura H10 Apex hair dryer, engineered for fast, efficient drying without compromise. Its cutting-edge 110,000 RPM high-speed brushless motor delivers a forceful 65 meters per second airflow, cutting drying time by up to 80%. Designed with user comfort in mind, the H10 Apex weighs just 0.74 pounds, significantly reducing arm fatigue even during extended styling sessions. The Maca To Go stands as the ultimate solution for coffee enthusiasts seeking convenience and quality in the great outdoors. Whether you're camping, hiking, or simply in need of a portable brewing solution, this stovetop espresso maker delivers hot or cold coffee on demand. Its compact and lightweight design ensures portability, fitting easily into any travel or camping bag. Constructed from durable materials, the Maca To Go is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures, ensuring long-lasting use. Step into a new era of desktop design with the Machinike KT84 retro-style keyboard, built for those who demand performance and visual artistry. Featuring a fully customizable LED matrix, this keyboard lets you program dynamic lighting effects that make every keystroke a visual experience. The integrated TFT HD multimedia screen enhances functionality, offering real-time information like battery life, profiles, and animations in sharp, colorful detail. Introducing the future of connectivity, the Super Cable 2.0, engineered to exceed every expectation. Designed to deliver lightning-fast speeds of up to 120 gigabits per second and handle power demands of up to 240 watts, this cable is a true game changer. Whether you're powering multiple 8K displays or transferring massive amounts of data, the Super Cable 2.0 ensures seamless performance every time. Precision isn't just a promise, it's engineered into every scan with the 3D Maker Pro Seal. Built to reveal the finest dimensions, this compact powerhouse captures details with 0.01mm accuracy and resolution up to 0.05mm. Thanks to advanced blue light encoded structured light technology, even the most subtle textures, faint dents, grainy surfaces, or intricate edges, are rendered into crisp, high-resolution 3D models. When the temperature climbs and cold refreshment is a must, this high-performance ice crusher steps in with purpose-built design and muscle. Engineered for speed and consistency, the Vivo Home Electric Dual Blades Ice Crusher Shaver delivers finely shaved ice at a rate of up to 143 pounds per hour. The powerful electric motor teams up with ultra-sharp dual stainless steel blades to produce soft, fluffy snow ideal for slushies, cocktails, and frozen treats. With a simple adjustment, you control the texture, from fine to coarse, ensuring the perfect finish every time. When your weekend escape calls for uncompromising cooling power, the EcoFlow Glacier Classic delivers reliable performance no matter how far off the grid you venture. Designed for travelers who expect more from their gear, it offers up to 43 hours of operation on a single charge. Whether you're exploring desert trails or lounging lakeside, your food and drinks stay fresh and chilled, supported by top-tier insulation and a precision-sealed design. Despite its compact form, the interior is surprisingly spacious. Tall bottles, bulky containers, and canned goods all fit without rearranging or relabeling. Wind-lashed trails and soaked boots don't mean discomfort anymore. The Hedgehog Go changes the way adventurers stay dry. At just 12.3 ounces, this compact powerhouse tucks easily into any backpack, delivering pro-level drying performance wherever you are. With a blistering 105,000 RPM motor and a punchy 700 watts of output, this dual-use dryer blasts warm, focused air through your hair in under 3 minutes and restores soaked hiking boots in just 12. VelaFlame is redefining ambient lighting with its smart, flameless candlelight technology. This cutting-edge light bulb captures the essence of traditional candlelight, offering a flickering effect that mimics a real flame while ensuring safety and energy efficiency. Designed for versatility, VelaFlame allows you to adjust the light's color to match any mood, from a soft, warm glow to a vibrant burst of color. Its built-in Wi-Fi capability seamlessly integrates into your smart home, giving you full control from anywhere. Step into a new era of mobile content creation with UView, where simplicity meets pro-level performance. Designed for modern storytellers who rely on their smartphones, UView upgrades your filming game without the need for bulky equipment or overpriced gear. From crisp audio to dynamic lighting and steady framing, every detail is optimized to help your phone deliver content that commands attention. Throughout this video, you'll get an inside look at how UView transforms your mobile setup into a compact powerhouse. Engineered for peak productivity, this modular control system elevates your entire setup with precision and style. Built for content creators, streamers, and tech professionals, it combines tactile finesse with customizable control. Whether you're editing video, mixing audio, or managing a multi-cam stream, each button, dial, and fader responds instantly to your workflow. The customizable keys and faders can be mapped to your exact preferences, turning complex software actions into a single touch. The Lenercom Energon Max Portable Power Station redefines convenience and reliability for off-grid power solutions. Boasting an impressive 3,686 watt-hour capacity, it delivers a robust 3,600 watt output with 5 120-volt AC outlets, making it ideal for both home use and outdoor adventures. Whether you're powering up electronics, lights, or appliances during a power outage or exploring remote camping sites, the Energon Max ensures that you stay connected and powered up. The Toro 2-stage 26-inch 60-volt Max Flex Force Power Max Snowblower is designed to make clearing heavy snow easier and more efficient. This powerful electric model clears up to 30 car spaces, tackling up to 10 inches of snow with the help of two 7.5 amp-hour batteries. Crafted with heavy-duty steel construction, it ensures durability and longevity in demanding snow removal tasks. The robust frame, housing, deflector, and chute make this blower a reliable choice for years of use. Slipping into your jacket pocket like a notepad, the Quill foldable keyboard redefines portable productivity. Engineered at just 2.8 millimeters thick and weighing under 5.3 ounces, this Bluetooth marvel doesn't just travel light, it feels like it's barely there. But once opened, it becomes a full-featured workspace equipped with responsive touch input and satisfying haptic feedback. No bulk, no compromise. Crafted from sleek aluminum alloy, Quill is built to endure yet designed to impress. Revolutionize your note-taking experience with NuaPen, where technology meets precision. No more dealing with the chaos of paper clutter. With NuaPen, your handwritten notes, whether on sticky notes or large paper rolls, are instantly digitized and organized. This AI-powered tool adapts to any writing surface, allowing you to create freely and without restriction. NuaPen's cutting-edge AI ensures smooth, continuous writing for up to 2 hours on a single charge. Whether you're navigating a crowded train or zoning in at a quiet cafe, the Sony WFC710N earbuds adapt to your environment without compromising clarity or comfort. Designed for audiophiles and daily commuters alike, they integrate advanced noise canceling with dual noise sensor technology to block distractions using dual microphones. This means more focus on music and podcasts, less on outside chatter. Engineered for endurance, the earbuds offer up to 8.5 hours of continuous playback. The Duo Monitor Foldable Smart KVM offers an impressive display range, enhancing your productivity with its 16 to 22.8-inch foldable screen. Equipped with dual 4K/2.5K resolution at 144 Hz, this monitor delivers exceptional clarity and smooth visuals for work or play. The Smart KVM functionality allows seamless control of multiple devices, streamlining your workflow without any lag. The Zero Pump is a compact yet powerful solution for all your inflation needs. Weighing only 1.2 ounces, this ultra-mini electric air pump is designed for convenience and portability, making it perfect for quick inflation of air mattresses, pool floats, and other inflatables. Its rechargeable battery ensures you're always prepared, whether for outdoor activities, travel, or everyday use. Despite its small size, the Zero Pump packs a punch. It effortlessly inflates airbeds, inflatable toys, and more. A home gym doesn't need to sprawl across your living room to be effective. The Joysong Cube Rower redefines compact versatility, giving you the power of a full workout station in a sleek, storable box. Designed for more than just rowing, this smart equipment supports over 80 different workouts, covering everything from core-focused routines and Pilates to upper body strength training and full-body cardio. It's a multifunctional machine engineered for those serious about sculpting their best selves without compromising floor space. The Cuisinart Bread Maker machine offers a modern solution for making fresh, homemade bread with minimal effort. Designed for ease of use, it features 12 pre-programmed menu options, making it simple to bake a wide range of bread types. Whether you're after a classic white loaf or a hearty whole grain, the fully automatic system takes care of the details, leaving you to enjoy the results. This bread maker accommodates loaves up to 2 pounds and provides 3 different crust shades: light, medium, and dark. The FLIR MR277 is a powerful all-in-one building inspection tool designed to enhance your workflow with its high-resolution thermal imaging, moisture detection, and advanced measurement capabilities. This system is perfect for efficiently locating and documenting issues like moisture, air leaks, and building envelope problems, making it essential for any professional involved in building inspections or maintenance. The MR277 combines multiple measuring modes, allowing you to scan large areas with its 160 by 120 thermal sensor. Take full command of your digital workspace with FlexBar, a precision tool engineered for creators, gamers, and streamers alike. Designed to adapt to your unique workflow, this touch bar solution brings next-level customization and efficiency to both Windows and Mac environments. Whether you're editing video, managing live streams, or gaming at full throttle, FlexBar keeps your most used commands within reach. Literally. With its compact footprint under 7 inches wide, FlexBar fits comfortably on any desk, while offering a highly responsive interface that reacts in milliseconds. Capture the distant thrill of nature or the electrifying energy of a concert right from your pocket. This ultra-portable 400mm telephoto lens transforms your smartphone into a professional-grade camera built for serious zoom and clarity. Whether you're tracking a red-tailed hawk from 600 feet away or freezing a spotlight moment on stage, you'll get crisp, cinematic bokeh with no grain, even under low-light skies. Equipped with multi-layered glass elements and precision-aligned optics, this lens brings full-frame clarity to every shot. Unlike standard digital zoom, this glass compresses depth and sharpens focus across long distances, delivering true 400mm performance without distortion. The Tavala Smart Oven 5-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven combo is designed to simplify meal preparation without sacrificing flavor. Whether you're in the mood for air frying, baking, broiling, reheating, or toasting, this versatile oven delivers top-tier results. Equipped with smart technology, it automatically combines cooking modes to ensure every meal is cooked to perfection, all with the push of a button. With over 30 options each week, prep time is a breeze, taking just 1 minute. The meals cook in 25 minutes or less, offering gourmet experiences without the hefty price tag. The Oyo Gym offers a breakthrough in portable fitness, providing an all-in-one solution to build muscle and burn fat effectively. Weighing only 2 pounds, it features up to 25 pounds of resistance per hand, making it ideal for strength training and cardio routines, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. This innovative design targets your chest, back, arms, core, abs, and legs, with an emphasis on functional movement and muscle balance. Introducing Loop, the game-changing solution for 3D printing enthusiasts who want to minimize waste and save on costly filament. With Loop, you can easily transform 3D printing waste into high-quality custom filament in just 3 simple steps. Designed for effortless recycling, Loop offers an easy and cost-effective way to repurpose old parts into new, consistent filament.